The underpinnings of India's growth is going to be based on technology, and I think the Prime Minister has clearly stated that. And therefore, our expectation is in the budget is that he will do a number of things on what I call the demand side. Number one, it will be incentivizing the use of IT both in industry as well as in government. Within this, we'd like to see a greater role for SMEs and startup. We also expect that they would be given benefits, whether it is in terms of investment allowances or whether it is in terms of expense deduction for training and manpower. We believe that this will give a fillip to the usage of IT within the Indian industry. And then the third area is that I think we need to see a lot more of India going digital. So whether it is e-commerce or whether it is digital transaction, we expect that this is going to be something which is important. On the supply side, I think we need to clean up a lot of areas or concerns which the industry has around certain regulatory or tax-related issues. I think very clearly one of the areas is transfer pricing, and also resolve this whole issue about royalty, the understanding of royalty, and then making it more in line with international. We also would like to see now clarity between goods and services, because currently software today is taxed both as a good as well as a service. So we expect many other areas where I can talk about for a lot, but I think it's all about cleaning up the current complex set of procedures and processes and regulatory norms which we have, so that it's easier for the IT industry to focus on investing and growing rather than having to worry about the past.